red browsers. There's a lot of on the Reddit is like one of the other best, was the one community places, and it's very good. Talk about the room Michael spending the comments. It's like either they spend mostly. This has out that dude. Well, somebody's dog was barking a lot at neighbor over here, and it was like a little brown dog, but anyway, it's now 6 something in the evening. Well, the time will be on there, but that's the vlog of the day. Hit that send out prison tuna, and also there's a bass like farming here, but I'm doing good with this like thing. But I always found my shoe so. As always, kind of like always on this thing called Clipchamp, but anyone uses something else or something that I don't know about, that this is a good like so. Again, this is on the same, always on the site called Clipchamp, and that's